Hands full, Siri can be a big help in the kitchen, whether you're using it with your iOS device, Apple Watch, or a HomePod. When you're trying to figure out what to cook, ask Siri nutrition questions.
Hey Siri, how much fiber is in 3 pounds of eggplant?
There are about 34 grams of fiber in 3 pounds of prepared eggplant.
Add items to a shopping list without missing a beat.
Hey Siri, add anchovies to my grocery list.
Okay, I added anchovies to the grocery list.
Doubling a recipe? Siri can do the math and make conversions.
Hey Siri, how many tablespoons are in a cup?
1 cup is 16 tablespoons.
Hey Siri, what's 2 tablespoons in teaspoons?
2 tablespoons is 6 teaspoons.
To keep track of what's cooking, use your Apple Watch or iOS device to set a timer, or set multiple timers with the HomePod.
Hey Siri, set lasagna timer 25 minutes.
25-minute lasagna timer, starting now.
Hey Siri, set cake timer 40 minutes.
40-minute cake timer, starting now.
Hey Siri, how much time is left on the lasagna timer?
Lasagna timer, with 4 minutes and 51 seconds to go. Lasagna timer.
Hey Siri, clear timers.
And if dinner doesn't quite work out right, Siri can always make a restaurant reservation for you.
Reservations for 2 for Italian.
For when shall I make your reservation?
6 p.m.
I found some tables for 2 around 6 p.m.
For more tips, see my book, Take Control of Siri, at takecontrolbooks.com.